Hi, welcome to the Brewed Workshop. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Keurig Elite single-serve coffee maker. Come along with me!
This coffee maker has a lot of unique features. It can make a strong brew, iced coffee. It has 5 different cup sizes, 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, and 12 ounces, and it has a 75-ounce removable water reservoir.
Come along with us while we unbox it. We need some scissors to cut open the tape, of course.
When you first open up the box, there's a manual. There's also a water filter to filter your tap water for the best tasting coffee.
And that's pretty much all that's in the box. So we'll cut it out. Okay, so we've moved the Keurig to where we're going to have it in our kitchen. So the first thing you need to do is take off all of the packing tape before you can plug it in. So now that we've taken off all of the packaging tape, it's time to plug it in. So our next step is to remove the water reservoir lid, take out the water reservoir, and then you need to install the water filter. So next, you need to put the water filter cartridge in some water and soak it there for 5 minutes, and then rinse it for 60 seconds. It looks like this. I'm just going to put it in some water. And while it's soaking, we're going to look at the rest of the water filter. So with the water filter, you can press 2 buttons on either side and the bottom tray pops off. So the filter has been soaking for 5 minutes and we just rinse it for 60 seconds to get rid of any loose carbon. Next, we can put it into the bottom tray of the filter and snap it in. And then we can put it into the water jug. Now you fill it up to the max line with water. So I've put the lid on the water reservoir, and now I'm going to place it into the Keurig. So I've pressed the power button and it's going to make hot water and it's going to go for 3 minutes. Right now it's heating up the water and you'll know that it's done once the sound stops. We're ready for cleansing. So you don't put a K-cup in there. You just select the hot water button and then press the 8-ounce mug. And of course have a mug in the tray. This is a one-time setup process. Once it's complete, you are ready to brew.
Now, take this nice hot water and throw it away because it's dirty and get a brand new mug.
So one of my favorite kinds of coffee is iced coffee, and with this Keurig you can make iced coffee. For iced beverages, you fill a 16-ounce tumbler with ice, and you can insert any K-cup pod. And then you press the iced button. So now I'm going to taste the coffees. It's really good. Now I'm going to try the iced coffee. That is delicious. With that, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a lot about the Keurig. If you like this video, subscribe and like. Have a good day. Now we're gonna sorry. Anyway, now we're gonna taste test the coffee. Sorry. So now we're gonna taste test the coffee. Okay. So now we're gonna taste test the coffee. It tastes really good.